In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to securely store sensitive data in Hubspot. Whether it's customer information, business data, or any other sensitive information you handle, protecting it is crucial. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have all the necessary tools to keep your data safe. First, we need to access our Hubspot account. To do this, navigate to the Hubspot homepage. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in www.hubspot.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout if you haven't visited recently. On the homepage, one of the most noticeable features is the login option. Go ahead and click on the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. After logging in with your credentials, you should find yourself at the Hubspot home, also known as your primary dashboard. This is your control hub where you can access all the tools you need. However, for our purpose of setting up data storage options, we need to focus on the settings section. So your next move will be to click on settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon, again located at the top of your screen, making it easy to spot. Once you've clicked on settings, you'll see a variety of options. To tackle data protection, direct your attention to the privacy and consent section. Click on that to access the privacy related features that Hubspot offers. It's crucial to understand that the privacy and consent section allows you to manage how data is collected and stored, ensuring compliance with various data protection regulations. Now, within the privacy and consent area, there is a specific setting we want to adjust, which is the consent options. Clicking on consent options opens up settings where you can configure how you obtain and manage consents from your contacts. This means you can define the transparency level about how their data will be used and ensure you're compliant with regulations like GDPR. Storing sensitive data responsibly involves ensuring transparency and security, and HubSpot provides several tools to facilitate this. By setting clear consent options, you are not only securing the data, but also building trust with your customers by clarifying how their information will be utilized. This brings us to the end of our guide. Remember, ensuring the security of sensitive data isn't just about following steps. It's about understanding the importance of data protection and continuously updating your practices to meet the latest standards. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these steps help you maintain robust data security for your business in HubSpot. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the HubSpot community or support channels. Stay safe and secure.